coat. Thank you very much.
Across the Cairngorm Mountains already, and that cold weather's going to be working its way southwards through the rest of today. Brighter skies following as it moves in on those brisk northerly winds, but there'll be a real chill in the air, I think, across much of northern England despite that sunshine. Some shelter through the central lowlands, so 12 degrees in Glasgow, just 7 though in Lerwick, and still some of those wintry showers across the Cairngorm Mountains. A bright, blustery but chilly afternoon across Northern Ireland and across Wales too. Still those strong winds coming in off the Irish Sea. They're blowing down across the southwest of England too. Should stay dry here, I think, by and large, but a little on the cloudy side at times, and certainly a lot windier than it was yesterday. Notice though the temperatures still, well, on the mild side, 14, 15 degrees. It's the last day we're going to see anything like that, though, for some time to come. So through this evening and overnight, the cold air continues to work its way southwards. The winds staying quite brisk down those North Sea coasts, but inland the skies will clear, the winds will ease down, so we're going to see a bit of frost developing, particularly Scotland, Northern Ireland, Northern England, but elsewhere getting certainly a touch of ground frost, and you might well be scraping the car windscreen tomorrow morning for the first time this autumn. So a different feel in the air, I think, as you step outside tomorrow morning, but the clear skies overnight means that we're going to get a bright sunny start to the day. It's really going to be quite crisp sunshine, I think, across the southwest of England. But look at that, 5 degrees, a big change over recent weeks. As we head north across Wales, a fine start today here as well. Notice those winds coming in from a northerly direction, but much, much lighter, so not feeling too bad. The temperatures close to freezing even in Belfast for the start of the day, and around about freezing through the central lowlands of Scotland. That blue area showing us the extent of the frost across the higher ground, down through the Pennine regions as well. Still a fairly brisk wind, though. You can see 16 miles an hour thereabouts running down those North Sea coasts. That'll bring 1 or 2 showers into the Yorkshire coast, the Lincolnshire coast, into Norfolk as well. And there'll be a feature, I think, for much of the day, but becoming lighter and fewer and further between. So that's the exception, really, to the dry, bright and sunny rule, because that's going to be the story for most of us during tomorrow. A very crisp sort of autumn day for the first day of November. Temperatures, yes, will be a lot lower than they have been just recently, but 9 to 12 degrees, that's actually about average for the early part of November, so we can't really complain. But gardeners, watch out. As we go through Wednesday night, we're going to see an extensive frost developing, the first real sharp frost of the autumn season. There'll be more of those to come through the rest of the week, but still plenty of sunshine in between. Sophie, that's the weather.